Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer USDC from Robinhood to Coinbase. So first thing you need to do is open up your Robinhood app and then click on this crypto option from the bottom of your screen. After that, you just have to scroll down and you will be able to see all of your cryptocurrencies that you currently have in your account. Now from here, you have to select USDC option from here. If you don't find USDT here, you can simply try to click on this search icon at the top of your screen and then search for USDC and you will find USDT from search results. So you just need to tap on it and then you will be able to see the similar screen. From here you have to scroll down and then you will see these two options, send and receive. You have to click on send button and then on the screen you have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer and then click on continue. On the screen you have to click on this enter manually button at the bottom of your screen. After you do that, you need to paste the wallet address from Coinbase in this area. So open up your Coinbase app and then you can click on this search icon and then in search bar you can simply search for USDC and select the USDC from search results. Then you just have to scroll down and you will find this option receive. You have to click on it and then you will be able to get your wallet address for USDC. So just click on this copy button right next to your wallet address and then go back to the Robinhood app and then paste the wallet address here and then click on review. Once you do that, you just need to confirm the details such as your wallet address is correct and the network is same in your both Robinhood app on your Coinbase app and then simply click on transfer button. And once you do that, your USDT will be transferred from Robinhood to your Coinbase. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.